I would say I went into it, a little bit timid and shy, and by the end of the program I felt super confident, not only in myself, but in my ability to kind of understand and properly do my job. I'm Madisson, and I'm a graduate of the Hearing Instrument Specialist program. So one of the things that I got going to a college program after university course was, the university course was great. It gave me kind of a general understanding of health and healthcare, but Conestoga kind of took it that one step further. I was able to specialize and kind of focus in on what it takes to be a good clinician and what you need to do to have a good relationship with your peers. The program is super exciting because you get to work with actual people who are patients and kind of deal with things as they come to you in real time. You're not learning about it and then applying it later. You get that real life experience in class. You have obviously kind of the theory courses where you're learning, your typical in person taking lecture notes. You also have lab courses, so you're learning in person and kind of doing things by hand. And then at the end of the program, what they have you do is they bring in patients and you kind of apply what you've learned during your program to a real life situation. Because our program is so small, I found that working with classmates was very important, and being able to have a good communication and a good relationship with my peers was really important. I'm actually very good friends with a few of the classmates, and we get together regularly. The faculty definitely inspired me. You can tell that they're so passionate about what they do, not only instructing, but also working in the field. I think that what makes me the most proud of my time at Conestoga is probably just the fact that I, kind of took the chance to go back and do something when I knew I wasn't, happy where I was. I went back and I took the step to switch things up and try something new, even though it was a bit scary. And in the end, it all worked out.